So today we are going to see how we can use the rigid body physics principles in Blender to do some disintegration or breaking into pieces. How we can do that? We can use the default cube for this one. So to start, let's move the cube in the Z direction like this one, like this. So the idea is to throw this cube downwards, and then we'll have some kind of floor here. So when the cube makes contact to the floor, it has to disintegrate into different parts using the rigid body technique. So to start, we need to enable the add-on called Cell Fracture. Go to add-ons and then search for Cell Fracture. So make sure this add-on is checked. So after that, what we can do is press F3 and then search for Cell Fracture, and then you'll have a diagram like this one. So what we're going to do is we can manipulate the type of the result that we can get. For instance, you can vary these numbers. The recursion, I'll make it 6. You can vary if you want the source limits, the clamp recursion. So this will give you the number of different pieces, and you can make the resulting pieces random, small, big, whatever you want. For now we'll use the random option. Okay, I think that's enough for now, and then press OK. So this will generate different various size pieces of the cube that will be the end result at the end of our simulation. Okay, so next what we can do is let's go to the original cube, and then let's go to the physics properties and make it a rigid body, and make sure the type is active. Okay, what else? We can check the surface response. We can increase the friction to 0.9. This will give us realistic results. And what else can we do? Yeah, sensitivity. Check the collision margin. Let's make the margin 0.1 like this. Okay. Now we can enable the X-ray mode, and let's select everything. Here we can see the different size parts. Okay, then go to objects, and then rigid body. Where is the rigid body? Yeah, here. After the rigid body, let's copy from active. So this will copy the characteristics, the rigid body characteristics that we earlier formed to the different selected parts. That's what we did here. Okay, I think we are almost ready now. Okay, so let's add a plane where the box will make contact. So for that, we can disable the X-ray mode. Shift A, mesh. Let's add a plane. Let's resize it. I think this is enough. So this plane has to be also a rigid body for the simulation to work. So let's go to select the plane and go to physics properties, and then go to rigid body. Make the type passive. I think that's enough for now. So let's see. Now we can play the animation. Okay, press the spacebar to play the simulation. Ooh. Okay. Here we can see the different parts. Yeah. So you can see the different pieces are here with various sizes. So since the rigid, some parts are falling apart, but here you can see the different parts that are on the surface of the plane. So this is one way of making the objects to disintegrate in the case of rigid body simulation. Thanks for watching. If you like another tips on Blender, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel. I'll see you next time with another video.